Hey guys, Kaspa surprises the whole crypto community again. The coin has hit a new all-time high. Haters are getting restless while Kaspa is confidently marching into the top 10 cryptocurrencies. Who is pushing the coin? Why is there still silence about the hidden potential of Kaspa? And when can we expect $1 per coin? And how many Kas coins do you need to become a millionaire? Hit the like button, subscribe, and let's get started. I started getting a lot of messages about Kaspa and that I should finally make a new video about it. So here it is. After all, Kaspa hit a new all-time high and reached 18.9 cents. Events are moving so fast that the price may be even higher by the time this video is published. But what I am about to tell you will always be relevant. Now that the price is almost at record highs by a small margin, many investors are wondering if it is still worth investing in Kaspa or if the moment has already passed. One of my readers left a very precise comment on this question, and it's really true. People are still buying Bitcoin when it is worth more than $50,000 because they understand their sales targets: $60,000, $80,000, or $100,000. So why do many people still think about whether to buy Kas? Will it show results? In my opinion, it will definitely show results. It all depends not only on the entry point, but also on your sales goals. Of course, you can look for the perfect entry point, but will it exist? Who says now is not the perfect time? You can always look for the perfect time to enter, but you may end up waiting for it and just staying out of the game. During this time, I've published about 10 videos about Kaspa, and under almost every one of them you can find comments that we have already missed the moment and it is too late. However, we are still seeing up to 330% profit in a fairly short period of time, and that number is only going to grow. This moment reminds me a lot of the episode where Jeremy Da Vinci was urging everyone to invest in BTC, but gained little credibility. Now the same people are buying BTC at high prices. History is repeating itself. Jeremy focuses on a promising coin for investment, while some still have doubts and are waiting for the perfect moment to get in. This is actually a huge problem for the entire market.
So Eunice Wong asked me, hey, Da Vinci, did you just tweet about Kas or Kaspa? Yeah, I did. And the reason why is because I'm joined their Telegram group and I want to prove that it was actually me. Because, there's no real way to prove, it's actually you in, these different groups that you join and sign up for. There's got to be a better way of doing this. I hope that one day in the future that we come up with a better solution for identification.
Therefore, you need to be very clear about your sales goals because it makes it much easier to build possible entry points into the project. Of course, these points are up to you to decide, and my video is just my opinion and not financial advice. So, please like the video and subscribe to the channel while we are moving on to my plan and goals for Kaspa. First of all, I would like to say that Kaspa has really started to come out of its long dormant zone. Back in mid-November, the Kaspa Twitter account had only 100,000 followers, and now you can see almost twice as many followers in just 3 months. Just yesterday, Kaspa reached 100,000 Twitter followers, which is a great achievement. However, compared to other blockchains with similar capitalization, this number of followers seems small. For example, Cosmos had 520,000 followers, Uniswap has 1.2 million, and Litecoin has 1 million. This shows that Kaspa has a lot of growth potential despite its current rapid development. Moreover, don't forget that Kaspa is still not represented on major trading platforms such as Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken, and it is definitely only a matter of time. In addition, Kas is already traded on Tier 2 and shows excellent trading volumes. I also can't help but mention the fact that the community and the project are becoming more and more popular thanks to regular events and partnerships. Kaspa supports the development of various sports, they have even launched their own merchandise, and now everyone can pay for their purchases with Kas tokens in some stores.
I just got this from my shop, $250, and we're gonna pay it here with my Kaspa wallet. Alright, let's go send it. Scan QR. Boom. That's 18 Kaspa for $250. Confirmed. Boom. That's it.
and this is really only a small part of what the project actually does. I can make a separate video for several hours if I start mentioning all the news and partnerships. So I want to end this section with a great post from Ledger, another interesting project with a huge audience, which is only good for Kaspa. But that's enough. Let's continue with my previews and calculations. But first, let me know which exchange Kas will appear on first, Coinbase or Binance. Kas is a relatively new asset, which makes it difficult to make any kind of predictions. Therefore, it is important to compare Kas to other tokens and coins that have performed well in the recent bull market. Looking at their example, it is clear that Kaspa, with its technology, speed, and partners, will be able to achieve significant results. But still, for a bearish scenario, I believe that we will see 5 times the current price at the peak of the bull market. So to get $1 million, you need to invest a small amount. To get $1 million by selling Kas at 0.9, you need to own 1,111,111 Kaspa tokens, which is almost $200,000 at the current price. I understand that not everyone has such amounts, but you can invest $100, $200, or $1,000 and still get great results. Let's calculate how much you will get if you invest $1,000 at the current price. I am impressed by such figures, and we have calculated one of the worst cases when the coin did not meet expectations for some reason and gave as much as 5x. And now I propose to consider a more positive scenario. In general, if we consider how much Kaspa has grown in just the last 6 months, it is not difficult to see that in a bull market with an influx of liquidity, Kas will be worth far more than $1. There are even more potential collaborations waiting to be listed on exchanges, so I see no reason why the price of the coin would only increase by 5x. Therefore, I propose to compare Kas to the well-known Polkadot, a project that has proven itself perfectly, showing technology in symbiosis with a cool product and a community that has given a great boost to the DOT token. I believe that Kas can grow to the size of Polkadot at its peak, which will give 13 to 15 times more. In this case, you will need a much smaller investment to become a millionaire. Of course, this option is more risky because you will have to hold Kas for a longer period of time, and no one knows when the cycle will turn from bullish to bearish. But for this, you need not 200,000, but only 71,000. Of course, this is a huge investment, but if you are really confident in the product, have done real research, and still invested, you have a good chance of getting a huge reward for your trust in the project. And of course, we're not going to end without a great potential result. The whole market is waiting for 2 things: the launch of Ethereum ETFs and the start of a bull market. In my opinion, it will be the introduction of ETFs that will start the bull market, just like the introduction of Bitcoin ETFs did locally. It is an obvious fact for everyone that the introduction of Bitcoin ETFs gave a big boost to all cryptocurrency assets. So Kaspa also gained new liquidity, new fans, and increased in value accordingly. The same will happen with Ethereum. So now we just have to wait and accumulate our positions at the prices we set as a target for buying. Therefore, together with this positive news and the continuous acceptance and development of cryptocurrencies, we can predict $5 to $6 per Kas. However, this option is only suitable for those who plan to hold Kas for a very long time and really believe in the project so much that they won't sell before these levels. However, I would like to remind you that this is by no means a financial recommendation, as I am simply sharing my views on the situation. Please like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel to not miss the growth of coins. Thanks for watching your Coin Post.